November 24th, 2019, 6:51 a.m. This thing is headed east. Looks like they're starting already. Television says there's going to be rain Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and possibly Friday. So the whole Thanksgiving weekend, or week, may I say. I have not seen one of these in over 3 days. I thought, oh, cool. We got 3 days of positive days. It is headed for, you guessed it, over here the mountains. So, looks like they're setting the primer, the stage for the primer and then the paint. Getting that storm brewing. Gonna make one. Let's see who this criminal is. This one is American Airlines. You're busted. And we have one going west. Which is just flying right over me. Well, it's way up there, but still. Why is it not putting anything out? Let's see who this supposed non-criminal is. Get the time. It's a United. Not spraying anything. Huh. And we got another one headed south. And I just got a still shot. Must have valved out. I got the still shot of it. November 24th, 2019, 11:25 a.m. No wind whatsoever. None. Come on, people. We know what this is. And you can see that straight line right there. All this wave action. Look, here's another straight line for you, right there. Somebody came through right there. You can see like a little squiggle. Shiny guys are shooting cross threads. There's another one over there. There's a cross one going that way. Let's zoom in real quick. 50% zoom. North. There's the line. There's a whole bunch. There's another one. That's the line right there. Check this out. To the northwest. Right here. There's another one right there. Got one going over here. And there's a line right there. I mean, how much more do you guys need? Look at all this, you know what I'm saying? It's just like, it's everywhere. That's all you do, you see it, it's everywhere. All over the place. So. Alright, that'll do it. And there's a woodpecker pecking at my barn. Really? Just a quick note, when I was doing it, this one just came out of nowhere. Just flew right up here. If I would have paid attention, I would have got him. And there's the line, and you got some Chembo jumping off. A little bit excessive chemical. Some right there. Yep. Central Valley, California. They're trying to make it rain. Yeah. Because the clouds got straight lines on them. Yeah. And then that right there was just left by that guy. It's not the best to focus because I focus closer. But yeah, that line right there. There's east, but this is their path right here. It's funny. They can come from over there from Texas. They shoot up this way once they hit Nevada, and then they just come straight up through the valley right here. It's crazy. Some more to the north. And then I can just get you guys all this. This is 50% zoom. They got a big dark one up in there to the northwest. Then to the west. So much for seeing the mountains most of the day. Absolutely no wind. Look at this. Look at this stuff. Little Chembo's dispersed. It's all just fizzling. They just spray it. This thing just came over here and it just sprayed. And now it's starting to give off its own little color. So yeah. Anything to cover up the sun. For some reason. Just want to mitigate the sun. It's weird, this stuff follows the sun. I can, like clockwork. They can spray it all they want. This stuff will mitigate and revolve around that light source. It's almost unreal. Birds are all muzzled and scared. It's like, that's the only bird I hear. Yep. Alright everyone, be safe. Peace out. November 24th, 2019, 11:40 a.m. And look at how that's the trail that was left over here earlier. It is now subsided ever so slightly, but it still has that straight cut in it. How does a cloud keep that? Because it's not a cloud. It is a Strategically placed chemical. Look at this stuff. It's starting to evaporate. And then the two lines that were over here have now widened up. Look at that. The little V that was over here. Look how it's changed. It got together with it and now it's spread apart. Yeah. This is craziness. And there's yet another one. Look. Look at this. Look at this. See this? That's from that plane right there. So yeah, that plane right there just laid that out right there. And then there's another one that got laid out. So let's see who this criminal is that laid this out right here. All right, 1142. It's that little plane. It's one of them little ones. They're powerful. GLEX. Yeah. NANA. How convenient. And then there's another one. Didn't spray.